To Nana Akua Addo, she's very, very sensitive about her style and her fashion.
Really?
I remember I critiqued her earlier this year of what she had on at the VGMAs. I don't know if you guys remember. She had on this red dress with like gold accents in them. I didn't really care for that look.
I liked it.
You did like it.
I liked it
at the beginning, but the outfit died by the time. By the time she got to the red carpet.
That outfit doing a slow death.
No, when she did the photo shoot, right, the outfit were all standing and it was like structured, and then she got to the red carpet, and for some reason the Ghana heat and all of that like just kind of collapsed the whole outfit, and I did not like that look of her. You know, and because of that, she unfollowed me on Instagram.
She unfollowed you. She still loves you.
I know.
She loves. She
and
like loved
and I
in New York.
lived for her, but for some reason, when I spoke about that look, she got into her feelings.
Of course.
So thank God that I'm here right now on the AM Club show, right? And I want to just say, Nana Akua Addo, I love you. Okay, I just didn't like that outfit. Please follow me back on Instagram. Ever since you unfollowed me, my life has been a mess. So please follow me back. But I think she's the creme de la
she's
creme.
the number one.
Yes.
I think that's number one when you talk about.
She takes it very, very
Okay.
Yes,
That's
that's the
this
outfit.
is the outfit I was talking about, right? The outfit at the end of the night died for me, and I felt like she could have done better with this look.
She still looks stunning though.
I mean,
Isn't it stunning?
but
Look at the faces.
the thing about Nana Akua Addo is, right?
Yes.
She has raised the bar so high for herself
Right.
that every time she hit the red carpet, like the whole Ghana, we are waiting.
Talking about her.
Yeah.
You know what you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So like
Yes.
this for me did not live up to the expectation.
Okay.
What was